It's rolling.
Hold on. Hold on. Get out of here. I want to film it first. All right. We're blowing up today. We're down. Started. All right. No, it'll take a while. Don't worry. Did you feel that rumble?
Yeah, what was that?
That was the fucking egg.
What? It's like a merry-go-round.
Oh my god, dude. Why did it rumble?
I'm putting it back into the middle.
Alright. Don't break it. Don't you fucking break it.
Oh shit. It's, oh my god. What the fuck's it doing? Yo. That's sick.
I know it. Is it cracking?
No, it's
What the fuck? You totally did that. Yo, like the 2 weeks before, me and Sam were like right here, we were watching, my head was right here. You're lucky you were close. I was like right here, comes full, like, force fucking nails me in the face.
Yo, I felt it. I felt it hit my head. I was like, what the fuck? Yo, we could eat that shit. Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
Only claim would be I would eat that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
Oh my god, it's everywhere.
We've been playing that out since ever we said we wanted to blow things up.
Alright, what am I gonna do with the leg?
The garbage right there.
Did it actually hit you, Clayton?
Yeah, it's fucking, I had my head right on it. I was,
Did it hurt?
well, no. I was like, what the fuck?
That's because you were so close. It had time to build speed before it hit me.
It was awesome. Awesome. Good one.
I love how now he's the only one cleaning it up.
That was a good one.